Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Or afternoon, or night.
Where are we, Adam?
We are on the last river in Liverpool. Oh, I'm under a jet.
Oh no, I don't like that. But yeah, so this probably is our most chillest Adam and Bethan show. Would you say, Adam?
Ever.
Ever?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think I've ever been this relaxed. Oh my God, you come say hi. Hello. There you go. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been this relaxed, ever, on a video. So this is very nice.
Yeah,
it's a nice change. And you can see my boobies, my armpits, my bicep. What more could you want? Look, my shorts.
Yes!
Look, have a look at Bethan's shorts.
I haven't got them on.
What?
What do you mean, what?
What do you mean you haven't got your shorts on?
Basically, we've got matching shorts.
You take your shorts on.
But ladies don't wear shorts. But yeah, so paradise much. Shall I give you a shot? I'll give him a shot of the lazy river.
There we go. I'm back.
Oh! There was a jet under me.
So I hope where you are it is not sunny because I want all the sun.
Well, that's greedy,
I
Adam.
want to keep all the sun for me and none for you. There was another jet.
There was.
It went under my butt. So yeah, I love you all.
Yeah.
If you want a body like mine, just follow my 2-step program. The first step is eat what you want, and the second step is eat what you want.
Oh, that's
Bye.
good. No, we need to sign off. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the
Adam and Bethan show. Yay!